Today I have this Teltonika GPS tracker device. So this is FMB202 and it's made in Lithuania. Let's see how it looks. This is a device, FMB202, internal battery 7.2 volts, and gives you the IMEI number. And the main thing here is this color coding that you have. So the cables that it has, so mainly you need the red and the black, ground and the positive. So if you look at this here, you can see red is here and you have the black one. So if you connect these two in your car or in your vehicle, so this goes to the positive, connected via the fuse box, and this to the ground. That's all you need. But let's see what's inside, how it looks. What you do is basically just open these. So this is how it looks. This is the SIM, and there's not much else you need to do. Just need to put the SIM in here, and then you connect it with the in your car, in your vehicle, and then you will need the software, the tracking software for it, which I am going to show you in the next video after I have installed it in my car, and I'll show you how it all works. So stay tuned for the next part of it.